What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. Don't forget to share some love on my Cash App if you're learning a lot. This helps me. It also helps to support the channel. Instead of the singular, we're gonna go ahead and do a double infinity braid. Surgeon Slim, comment down below. Let me know what you think about the alternative. You can choose either finishing method that you wish, okay? So I'm going to take that hair out, okay? I'm going to take it out, all right? And that hair in the back, bring you guys alternative that I'm going to do, just like I mentioned, is an infinity braid. So with the infinity braid, the first thing we're going to do is take a lock, and we can take these locks here, and you want to have them side by side, okay? Just like so. We're going to bring them, overlapping them here. And we're going to go under. Come on now. And again, you don't want this to be tight, okay? Actually, let's do this. You guys see how this looks here? I don't want that. So I'm actually going to flip and reverse this 2-strand infinity braid, okay? So instead of going over, we're going to go under first. We're going under, okay? We're going under, just like so. Then we're going over, keeping those locks lined up, as you can see. We're going over, all right? Around the second braid. Then we're going to go over. Basically, what we're doing is a figure 8. Okay? Now that we've done that, the next step, we're going to take our locks from this side. Okay? And we're going under first. Okay? We're going under. Under that braid. We're going to lay this down, okay? And basically just let those new locks overlap that, okay? And we're going to figure 8, just like so. And those locks became a part of this section, just like these locks are going to become a part of this section, okay? So we just hold that right at the front there. All right. We're going to continue. And again, it doesn't have to be tight. Bring you guys in a little bit closer. Okay. So I'm going to take some hair from the bottom here. We're going under first. We're going under. Just like so. And those locks just lay down. Overlap those locks. Then we're going over. Figure 8. Coming around. Okay. Just like so. And, oops. Back a little bit. Alright, so we came around. Hold that right there at the front. So, I have to stop for a quick second. If you don't know how to do a reverse 2-strand infinity braid, I'm going to leave it right here at the top of the screen. So feel free to pause this video, go watch reverse infinity braid right here, then come back and do this section. All right? So the last stitch, we stopped here at the front. I'm going to go ahead and grab hair from this side. And of course, you already know, we're going under this braid. Like so, under. Take those locks, we're going under, through the middle here. Once we bring those locks through, the locks we had right here just lays down and we overlap them with the new locks, just like so. Sorry, I hit the camera. And we're going to do a figure 8. We're coming all the way around. We're doing a figure 8. Okay, we're coming through the middle, under, All right, and then we're going over. All right, those locks became a part of this section here. Now and again, we're going to stop right here at the front. We're going to grab that last section right here, and we're going under that away. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to grab those locks, and we're coming through the middle because we're going under, remember? And once we come through with those new locks, we're going to lay the old ones down like so, and those new locks overlap. We're going around, under, okay, and we're going over. Okay, you can adjust your braid. We're going to stop right there at the front with those new locks because we're adding in the last section here. So we take those locks over here. You guys know we're going under. Through the middle, we're going to lay down those old locks, and we are going to bring the new ones through, around, under, figure 8. Through the middle, those locks become a part of that section, okay? And at this point, there is no more locks to add in, so we're just going to continue our figure 8 down now just a little. Now that we've completed that, we're just going to do a figure 8, and we're just going to go around, under, okay, then over, around, under, through the middle, up and over. We're basically just doing a figure 8, okay, up and over. Now that that has got a little bit shorter, we can definitely switch out the locks. We take some right out the middle, lay those down, continue, just like so, figure 8, okay, figure 8, round, through the middle. Very easy, very basic. Now I want to mention here that you can actually take this figure 8 all the way down and close this braid off, okay? But I'm going to stop it about halfway. The locks got short. We're going to pick up some new locks from the middle here. These locks lay down. Bring those up. They become a part of this section here. We continue our figure 8. Okay? Just like so. And I think I'm going to stop just about there. I'm going to put a rubber band on it. I'm not even going to twist that twice because, like I always say, we don't need to make it all tight. It just needs to be secure. Now, as you can see, I kind of slid the rubber band up a little bit so that we can go ahead and have those locks come over that rubber band so that you can't see it. You can definitely manipulate your style if you want to and move these if you need to move them up or down. And that's basically it. That is my so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks, any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.